Eliminex here. We're in Warren, New Jersey. Beautiful. Somerset County, north of 22 by Greenbrook, Mountainside. Very exclusive neighborhood. I'm not jealous. I kind of like it a little busy. I don't like it. I don't like to be in the woods too much. But I trapped 8 raccoons on this property, and then I patched up everything. I excluded everything, and no, it's not. Light's not working. And now we have, I think, squirrels. Now squirrels are in there, and it's unfortunate for me because I left a little bit of a gap, so if there was like a small raccoon, it can get out. But unfortunately, I locked 2 raccoons in there, and I caught them. I used my Trap Smart sensor system, so when we caught and there's one in there still. There's still a trap in there, but it's been over a week. So they're reporting noise up in this area, and I think I believe a squirrel was on this roof after Thanksgiving when I came to check to get the raccoon, and I saw a squirrel running up the roof right where I did the repair. And I left it, like I said, I left it a little open, thinking if there was a small raccoon, it would be able to squeeze out. So it's probably big enough for a squirrel to get in there. So they're reporting noise like constantly. So I'm going to put a trap on the gutter. I'm going to put 2 traps on this gutter system here, and then put sensors. So on the lower gutter and the top gutter is perfect placements. I'm going to put traps there, and that we can intercept the squirrel coming in and out. And hopefully that'll fix it, because this is a lot of work. It's going to snow soon. It's going to a little bit of snow tonight. That's why I'm here early in the morning. You see these little holes here? See these little holes here? There's a hole here and a hole here. This is something usually what flying squirrels do. They gnaw little holes, so we're just hoping it's not flying squirrels. But flying squirrels aren't on the agreement, but I can't prove they're flying squirrels until I put traps, so I have to do extra work for free anyways. And if it's a flying squirrel, it's going to be more of a comprehensive, but they're not as destructive. So if they have a flying squirrel situation, I'll have to do a separate agreement, an add-on agreement, because I'm not going to do that for free. It's just a zoo out here. When you live in the woods, you just get everything. You get everything. A stucco house, trees. Look at the trees covering the house. I mean, you can cut down all the trees, but then you got the stucco. They'll just climb right up the stucco, and the raccoons weren't using the tree. They were using the back deck and going up and shimmying up the gutters. So you can't keep wildlife off your property. It's impossible. I get calls, or they want like a forever warranty, and that's impossible.